Okay, hi guys, this is a tutorial of how to make a Lego butter knife. Let's get right into it. First, guys, what you need is one of these pieces, which is a hard thing that goes for this one. This one is a 9 hold. This is a 15 hold, so you need two of these. One of these are all connector pieces that you need, which is two of these softer bits, and then hard, like one of the hard. Two 15 hold, and then two 3 hold. Okay, this is how you're gonna build it. Step 1, get one of these, put the soft ones in the outer holes, just like that. Then grab the hard one, put it in the middle, and then you're gonna grab a 15 piece and then put it in the on the outside, and then another one on the outside again, and then grab your 9 one. Only let one hole showing. That's 2, like that. So that's where it is, and then you could do that butter knife tricks. And now you grab your 3, and then you just put it on. And if you want, you could do some tiles. You could basically put it just like that, or like on it. But I don't want to. Wait, let's see if I have enough pieces though. Okay, so bye guys.